As I shared in the Asia session analysis for gold, the trading gold is very simple today. Just sell below 1970 and buy above 1980. Failed to break past 1980, gold has given a good break on the downside and in fact has breached 1950 levels. Likewise, see, only thing is US crude. US crude is now trading at 70.2 levels. That is a stronger support level and it is struggling to go past these levels so far. Yes, it tried to break on the downside but failed to sustain below 69.5 levels. So what to expect in gold and crude oil, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Remember, this is the second update for the day. The next update will be released before the Asia session tomorrow. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil WTI. Watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels straight as per the levels here. Now look on the hourly charts. Gold is still shying away from the 1940 levels, which is certainly a very strong support levels. There is one possibility because see couple of bases it has created 1940, 1920 levels, and it has breached the support levels. However, yet 1950 it is trying to survive. So let's see how it behaves. Only remember, now only buy entry is still above 1970, where you can expect 1980 levels, and a reversal confirmation is only and only if it trades above 1980. Now let's have a further detailed look because see it is trying to retrace. This is not a reversal, this is a retracement, and possibly at 1970 also you can again try to sell. Why this rise? See, the stochastic is oversold, it is trying to recover. The MACD is also divergent and bearish, it is looking down. And if you look at the RSI, this has come to oversold levels again. Now if you look at 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, getting the support here at 100 period average and trying to recover a bit. Previous candle was a stronger sharp red candle and that is where it is trying to recover a bit. And yes, it has come out of the Bollinger Bands trying to survive here. The stochastic is oversold, trying to recover here. And if you look at the MACD, this is still divergent and bearish looking down. The RSI is also back to oversold zone. And if you look at 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, but on the 3-hour chart, see the moving average are now started to converge. If possibly the crossover, certainly more bearishness can be expected, but yes, till the time it stays above 1950, 1948 levels should not be a sell here. A sell is only below if it breaks below 1948, where you can expect 1940 as the next support. I'll be looking forward to, and in fact if it breaks below 1940, this time it is going to give a sharper drop, taking it for 1930, 1920 levels. Stochastic is oversold and hence a little retracement is seen. The MACD is divergent and bearish, probably a little convergence can be expected. The RSI is also trading at bottom, and if you look at 4-hour, similarly on the 4-hour chart, see lower highs, higher lows. Let's watch out how it behaves in this zone. Probably it can try to consolidate a bit after this big bullish move. So that is what we can expect. See, the stochastic on the 4-hour charts is oversold too. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still looking down. The RSI is comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. And now if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, after forming lower highs, it is still trying to consolidate a bit. Same observation, and this is happening after a stronger bullish move. So this is a bull here, this is consolidation here. Only bearishness is first it has to break past 1940 and then 1920 levels. If these two are taken, you can expect that gold is trying to break strongly. And yes, a buy entry is only above 1980. Yes, here also you can initiate a buy, but then you have to be very careful with your buy entries. RSI is looking down. The MACD on the daily charts is trying to converge, and as I told in the morning analysis that this convergence is happening at a slightly higher levels. So we have to wait and watch. RSI is looking downwards. It is still trying to trade bear. Considering this, those who want to take advantage of a little retracement on the upside, yes, you can buy here at 1953 56 levels. And if you are buying at 1956, first target is 1960, very strong resistance, then 1965 and then 1970. Only a confirmation of a further rise or a strengthening of bullishness is if it trades above 1970. So yes, buy at 1956, but remember, this is a riskier trade. It is still bearish. It is a retracement trade, and hence you have to be very cautious with your long positions here. We have to always trade with a stop loss at cost. At the same time, you can sell here at 1948 levels, below which you can expect that directly it is going to land at 1940. then 1930 and then 1920 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch is going to start on 10th of April. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for crude oil. See, getting the support here at 69.5, 69.4. Very strong support. And just here, what it has done, rise, retracement, rise, higher highs are done. With this candle, 70-40 levels are seen. It is trying to retrace a bit on the downside. So I will recommend you to wait for 69.4 levels to be breached, then only confirm for a bearishness. Else it is, see, after this big bullish candle, it is trying to trade in this channel. 70.5 levels are the next resistance, and beyond that we are going to look at 71 and 72 levels. So 69.5, 70.5 levels is something where you have to exercise extra caution. Stochastic looking up, MACD trying to diverge, trying to trade bullish. RSI is also trying to trade bullish here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, remember one fact, that after forming lower highs, see, it is tried to trade bullish, but see the previous candle was a bullish one, but the body size is very small. This means that it is not willing to go on the upside. But yes, if it breaks past 70.5, certainly one can stay long for further bullishness there, because the previous two candles were of consolidation and this was the breakout candle, and hence little bullishness still can be seen till the time it stays above 69.8 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is back to overbought levels. The MACD divergent and bullish looking up. RSI also trying to trade bullish looking up here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour chart, look at the previous two candles. These were of consolidation, lower highs, higher lows. Previous candle was a breakout. This candle may try to stretch the rally a bit. Possibility exists. Once it breaks beyond 70.5, more bullishness will take it for 70.8, 71 and then 72 levels can be also expected. Stochastic looking up again, but it has come back to overbought levels. But the MACD, interestingly, MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is trading bullish. This is looking up. RSI is also trying to look up and trade bullish. And if you look at 4, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see, previous candle was a step here, a stepping stone for oil to rise, and hence above 70.5 certainly more bullishness can be expected. Rather, I will say till the time it stays above 69.8, we can expect a breakout in oil, and the support here at 69.4 is strong. It is trying to take a break on the upside. I will wait for it to give this breakout, and then 70.1 levels and beyond levels can also be expected here. The stochastic, remember stochastic is back to overbought levels, and hence sustaining these levels is going to be little difficult. However, 71 levels, 70.8 levels can be achieved. The MACD divergent and bullish looking up. RSI is also looking up, showing a little strength. And if you look at the daily, now look at the daily charts. Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Couple of retracement candles. The morning candle, that is the week beginning candle, was also in red and consolidation, and now this is giving a breakout. This may certainly take the prices little high, because this is coming after little bit of consolidation. We can expect the oil might try to achieve little highs at 72 and plus levels. The stochastic is comfortable here. Look at the MACD. This is coming for a crossover at slightly lower levels, and hence it can try to stretch the move a little bit up. The RSI is also trying to trade bullish. So considering for the day above 70.5, you can stay long. Rather, I will recommend till the time it stays above 69 levels, one can stay long in oil, and one can expect 71 and then 72 levels. That is something for the week also, but for the day, in between 69.5 and 70.2 levels, do not trade. And rather, I will say till the time it stays above 69.8, stay long for the day, and you can expect 70.5, 70.8 levels, and in fact 71, 71.5 and 72 levels can also be expected there. On the downside, only sell entries below 69.4, where you can expect 69.2 and 69. Now remember, if it breaks below 69, it is going to trade bearish then, and then only. Till the time it stays above 69, I will not consider this as bearish at all. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signal channel. And remember, in the signal channel, we trade as per the stop losses and trailing stop loss. That is the safest entry, and I will recommend you all to also adopt this practice. Always keep your stop losses at your entry price, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Take your trades accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.